Welcome back to UK Auto Car Insight. Today we're diving into one of the biggest farming revolutions of 2026, the brand new autonomous driverless tractors that are changing agriculture forever. These futuristic machines are designed to work without a human driver, using artificial intelligence, GPS guidance, cameras, and smart sensors to handle farming tasks automatically. And honestly, what we're seeing in 2026 feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. The first thing that grabs attention is the exterior design. These new autonomous tractors look completely different from traditional farming machines. Many brands are removing the large driver cabin because there's no need for a full-time operator. Instead, the tractor features a compact futuristic body, advanced LED lighting systems, roof-mounted sensors, radar cameras, and satellite communication antennas. Some models even include 360-degree obstacle detection cameras that allow the tractor to avoid animals, rocks, and other farm equipment automatically. The body design is more aerodynamic than older tractors, and manufacturers are also focusing on lightweight materials to improve efficiency. The wheels are larger for better grip in muddy fields, while smart suspension systems help improve stability on rough farmland. Several companies including John Deere, CNH Industrial, Kubota, and AGCO are heavily investing in driverless tractor technology. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where things get very interesting. Most 2026 autonomous tractors are powered by diesel engines, hybrid systems, or fully electric motors depending on the model. Horsepower ranges between 100 HP and 600 HP, making them suitable for both small farms and massive agricultural operations. These tractors can automatically plow fields, plant seeds, spray crops, and even harvest with very little human involvement. Using AI-powered mapping systems, the tractor can scan the field and create the most efficient route to save fuel and reduce time. Farmers can control everything using a smartphone app or laptop. Imagine sitting at home while your tractor works in the field all day. That's the future of farming in 2026. Maximum speed varies depending on the model. In field operations, these tractors usually operate at speeds between 8 to 20 miles per hour for better precision. On roads, some high-performance autonomous tractors can reach up to 35 to 45 miles per hour, which is impressive for heavy farming equipment. When it comes to fuel average, traditional diesel autonomous tractors deliver around 8 to 12 liters per hour depending on workload. Hybrid versions improve efficiency and may reduce fuel consumption by nearly 20%. Fully electric autonomous tractors are becoming more popular because they eliminate fuel costs completely, although charging infrastructure remains a challenge in rural areas. Safety is another major highlight. These tractors use automatic emergency braking, real-time obstacle alerts, remote shutdown systems, and weather monitoring software. If the tractor detects danger, it can stop instantly without human input. Now let's discuss pricing. Entry-level autonomous tractors in 2026 start at around $120,000. Mid-range models cost between $250,000 and $400,000. Premium fully autonomous farming machines with advanced AI systems can easily exceed $700,000 depending on features and attachments. While the price may seem expensive, these tractors can save farmers thousands of dollars in labor costs over time. They also improve productivity by working longer hours without fatigue. So, would you trust a driverless tractor on your farm? The future is arriving faster than anyone expected, and autonomous farming machines may soon dominate agriculture worldwide. Thanks for watching UK Auto Car Insight. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more future farming technology updates.